Hello everyone guys. Are you looking for that kind of hairstyle that can transform your look or help you look ageless, sweet 16 kind of, despite that you've already getting advanced, guys, go nowhere, guys. So this one simple hairstyle can makes you look 10 years younger instantly. Let's go. So like as I said, are you a busy mom, as in working class kind of mom? Everybody want to beautify themselves, guys. That's what my platform says, beauty channel. The beauty we meant here is not, when you break your bank or as in wasted a lot whole of your time every day trying to beautify yourself. What we meant is the kind of hair that can go so very pretty easy for you in terms of making it and in terms of the transformation which the hair gonna give to you and the simplicity kind of it. Guys, the most important one is the simplicity and glamorous kind of it. Why? Because that's what we are looking for. We are not trying to make bushly hair that can be, doing us heat, especially now that we are in summer period. Guys, there is some kind of bushly hair you're gonna make. Instead of you looking more younger, you'll be looking as in more aging. Guys, that's not good at all. When you want to, beautify yourself in terms of the kind of hair that can help you look ageless. So I have this one for you, or a kind of tiny kind of hair, because not only that you make tiny or bushly kind of hair, guys, those things can take your money, because what we are preaching here is not for you to break your bank as a working class mom, as a busy mom. Guys, that's why that you have that money excess. Guys, there are other things you can use those money to do. It's not once you spend it on bushly hair or on tiny kind of hair, because when you do, as in we spend much money on that. But as you are following my page or my channel, you notice the kind of hair I put on, I make, which usually transform my look. It helps me look ageless. It helps me look sweet 16. Guys, despite that, this does not break my bank and it doesn't even take my time. I can't stay like 5 hours in terms of making hair. Guys, I have other things I will use my time to do, not sitting down for hours because I'm trying to do bushly kind of hair or one kind tiny kind of hair. Not at all. Guys, doing this can save my time, save my money. Why? Because when they do that simplicity kind of hair for me, it has already saved my money. Instead of me giving them 50 euro, 100 euro in that tiny kind of hair, which no gonna transform my look beautifully the way the simplest one did. Guys, it's better I do this type instead of me spending it in that bushly one, which gonna also take my time and take my money. It's better I channel my attention in this simplistic kind of hair. Guys, not only that this save our money, it also save our time. Why? Because instead of you staying hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours in one hair, guys, why not schedule the time to make this kind of hair? So that's what we are preaching, guys. That's why that I don't usually make all these kind of bushly or tiny kind of hair, but this really helps me look sweet 16 and ageless always. Guys, if you never watch other hairstyles I make previously, please kindly go to my channel. You will see all the kind of hair I make. Not only that, this blesses me to transform my look to help me look ageless or simple. Guys, this also help me because are you a mom living in diaspora? You will know that we do things all by ourselves here. So this also helps me not to, look running helter skelter looking for whom to lose my hair. Why? Because I make that kind simplistic kind of hair, easy kind of hair. Not only that is easy, it's very, very classy and glamorous. It changes my look to look more younger. Instead of me looking older, I'll be looking younger because I'm not putting that, bushly kind of hair or one kind, huge kind of hair on my hair. Guys, I go with simplicity kind of hair, and this is the key. Since I learned this, it has bettered me, and I want it to better other moms out there, other working class people out there. Guys, when you make easy hair or simple hair, you will look more matured, more classy, as in it will transform your look definitely. Guys, this hair I'm making now is called braiding kind of hair. Guys, in this summer, would you like making all these tiny hair that can take your time, or all these bushly kind of hair that can take your time? Not at all. Guys, you want a hair that can give you space. You want a hair that can help to, as in that can help breeze touches your skull. You want a hair that when you are moving, you will be moving freely. Guys, you will notice that you gain everything whenever you make this kind of hair. Not only braiding kind of hair you can make. I've shown you guys the twisty kind of hair that seems related to this one. Guys, it's very simple but kind of classy, matured, and helps me look sweet 16. Guys, when you keep doing all these beautiful easiest hair, guys, who you tell your age when you never believe you? Why? Because you always look simple and classy. Guys, ageless. So I hope even if you are watching or listening to my voice, you also watch how we make this. Guys, this does not take my time. That's what I appreciate, as in on the process of making this. Guys, I learn things every day. That doesn't mean you can try to another person to beautify you. When you don't have time, you can go as in and seek for help so that another person can do it for you. But what we are trying to say is that, in essence, is that you need to know the kind of hair to make so that you keep looking sweet 16, and you keep looking simple, classy, glamorous, ageless, twisted. I don't know how to put it. Guys, please follow this instruction, because I was once like you. Anytime I didn't make bushly hair, it will look as if I've never made hair. But when I look myself in the mirror, I will be looking ugly. I'll be looking like old mama. I'll be like, why all this hair I spend a lot of money, makes me look old. Instead of making me to look more younger, it makes me look old. So I later channel my attention. I deviate in the sense that I start scrolling which kind of hair that can make people look ageless. Even when you are getting old, you will keep looking young in the kind of hair you make. So when I saw all these ones, I was like, yes. Since I started making it, even my audience has been commenting, guys, this kind of hair is the kind of hair I want. I've been breaking my bank or wasting my time to make bushly kind of hair, guys. But since they started watching my video, guys, they have already, as in change their mindset in terms of their hairstyle to do. Guys, let me know what you think. Have you tried making this kind of and thanks for watching.